All right, guys, so this is kind of a rant on Nutone bathroom exhaust fans. This my particular one I bought has a heater. It was about 200 bucks. Heater, exhaust fan, and light. Worked great for about 3 years, and then the heating element went out. So that is this little good you see here right here. Now this costs about 35 bucks to replace. And the only thing, I ordered another one, fine, it works for 3 years, that's not too bad. But I ordered it, and then all of a sudden, got this one, put a new one in, made a video, all that, yada yada. And that little guy right there is a thermal fuse. And what happens if it gets too hot, that just breaks, it breaks the circuit, and the thing will stop working. So you can solder a new one in there, and they cost about $1, or you can get a bunch for $1, or you can buy a whole new thing. I'm not great at soldering, and I don't think I should have to replace one of these every half hour. So as I figured, oh, maybe that was just a fluke. I took it out. Amazon did an exchange. You know, no harm, no foul. You know, just worked for a half hour, so I just returned it. It's a defective part. Got a new one. This one right here. Put it in. Worked great. About a half hour. Done. So instead of putting in a thermal fuse, I feel like this is kind of designed to fail. There's fuses, a fuse like that will, more like a breaker. So when it gets too hot, it'll separate itself, break the circuit until it cools down, then you can reset it. Something like that would work quite a bit better, and you wouldn't have to go through this. Also, they have ones that temperature regulate, so it doesn't get too hot. So something in there, but instead of a thermal fuse, which is like really kind of a last resort type thing, I would think. So just a little disappointed that these replacement parts have that in there, and it seems like it's kind of designed to fail. So that's kind of my rant on these. I was pretty happy with the fan until that started happening. I'm gonna have to buy a whole new one, because it's nice to have a little heater in the bathroom, you know. So instead of going to the ice cold bathroom, you go in there and kicks out some heat or whatever. So just thought I'd share this with you guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. GoPro, stop recording.